Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a minutes book binder which helps you to organize your minutes of meetings in a professional and convenient way. It's a must have for any company secretary. सो मिनट्स बुक बाइंडर एक हार्ड कवर फोल्डर होता है जो कि मिनट शीट्स को बाइंड करके रखता है। बेसिकली इसमें एक लॉकिंग मैकेनिज्म होता है विच अलाउ यू टू ओपन एंड क्लोज द बाइंडर इजीली एंड ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स फ्रॉम अनऑथोराइज्ड एक्सेस। For using the minutes book binder, you have to follow some steps. स्टेप वन, सबसे पहले आपको अपनी कंपनीज की मिनट्स शीट्स को प्रिंट करना है एंड मेक श्योर यू हैव टू फॉलो द फॉर्मेट एंड गाइडलाइंस प्रिस्क्राइब बाय आईसीएसआई। स्टेप टू, open the binder using the key. Insert the key into the hole and turn it clockwise. This will release the rods that hold the sheets inside the binder. Step 3. Arrange your minutes sheets in a chronological order according to the date of each meeting. Cut out the extra part of your minutes paper so that you can keep them in minutes book binder properly. Place them inside the binder on top of the rods. Make sure they align with the holes on the left side of each sheet. Step 4. Close the binder using the key. Insert the key into the hole at the bottom of spine of binder and turn it anti-clockwise. This will lock the rods that hold the sheets inside the binder. That's it. So this was all about minutes book binder. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, let me know if you have any questions or suggestions regarding minutes book binder or any other topic related to CS. I'd like to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.